Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the extension tube for a Dyson V12 Detect Slim and V10 Digital Slim stick vacuum cleaner. 74 centimeter aluminium replacement telescopic tube with a quick release extension rod for the V12, the V10 Slim spare parts, and comes in a violet color fashionable design. This here is really cool because it will matches to your Dyson as well. Of course, easy peasy. It's a perfect compatibility because this replacement tube of the Dyson is especially compatible with the Dyson V12 and the V10 and all other vacuum cleaners from Dyson with slim connection. We are going to check carefully whether your device is supported before purchasing this product. And the Swetfela comes with a nice violet design and in good shape. The V12 Slim section tube is made of premium aluminum alloy and ABS materials, which is durable and works like the original. The high quality processed material ensures a long product life. And with a length of 74 cm, the replacement extension tube for Dyson allows an easy cleaning of ceilings, curtains, wall and furniture's corners, under the furnitures and behind the cabinets. This significantly expands our cleaning radius and easily reach the even hard to reach places. This is ideal as a suction tube for the Dyson to corner or for a carpet cleaning as well. And of course, we are going to make a good job with that, an easy job and fast job. Thanks to the red quick release button, the replacement extension tube for Dyson V12 Detect Slim vacuum cleaners can be easily and safely attached and removed without tools. Connected directly to the vacuum cleaner. No additional adapter is required for that. You see, it works and it comes with the right diameters in the right size for our Dyson V12 and V10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!